Welcome to today's video. In today's digital landscape, getting new leads doesn't always require a hefty advertising budget. In fact, you can generate quality leads organically by using smart strategies. So let me walk you through my top 5 strategies that helped me get 100 new leads without spending a single penny on ads. Let's start with the first strategy. Strategy 1, AI chatbots. Now, if you don't have a chatbot on your website, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. AI chatbots engage visitors in real time. Imagine this. Someone visits your website at 11 p.m. and they're ready to inquire about your services, but you're offline, right? Well, that's where the AI chatbot comes in. It can immediately respond to queries, provide basic info, and even qualify leads. No need for manual intervention. For example, on our website, we use a chatbot to ask visitors about their needs, whether they want a free consultation or need specific services, and it qualifies them instantly, so I know exactly which leads to follow up with the next day. Strategy 2, predictive leads. Next up, predictive leads. This is where AI really shines. Predictive analytics can analyze historical data to predict which leads are most likely to convert. By understanding patterns from past interactions, it helps you focus on the right prospects. For example, in my business, AI tools track past customer behaviors and interactions, like website visits, past inquiries, or even emails, and prioritize leads that are likely to convert. This helped me increase my conversions by 30%. Imagine having a tool that does all this work for you automatically. Strategy 3, reactivating dormant leads. Now, let's talk about reactivating dormant leads. Every business has old leads who showed interest at some point but never made a purchase. It's time to reconnect with them. Here's where personalized outreach comes into play. One of the best ways I've done this is by sending personalized emails or messages that acknowledge their previous interest. For example, I might say, "Hey, we worked together last year. How's everything going?" Or, "We've got a new offering you might love." I reach out through email, SMS, or even social media to increase the chances of re-engagement. And believe me, some of these dormant leads come back ready to work with you. Strategy 4, optimizing Google My Business for local lead generation. Let's move on to Google My Business. If you're not using GMB to its full potential, you're missing out on local leads. Optimizing your GMB profile helps your business get found by people in your area searching for your services. Here's a tip. Complete your profile fully. Make sure your address, phone number, and business hours are accurate. But it doesn't stop there. Ask your happy clients to leave reviews. Positive reviews will boost your credibility and attract more local leads. And don't forget to post regular updates. Share news, offers, or upcoming events to keep your audience engaged. This is how you stay top of mind in local searches. Strategy 5, content marketing. Next up is content marketing. This one is simple, but so powerful. By regularly publishing valuable content like blogs, case studies, or tutorials, you can attract and educate potential leads. For instance, I regularly post tutorial videos on my YouTube channel. These videos provide real value to my audience. I answer common questions and show how to solve problems related to website development. By sharing this knowledge, I've built a reputation as an expert, and it's helped me attract organic leads who trust my expertise. The key is to create content that directly addresses the problems your audience faces. So those are my 5 strategies for generating 100 leads without running ads. It's all about being smart with automation, re-engaging old leads, optimizing your presence, and offering value through content. Let me know if these strategies worked for you, or feel free to knock me for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe for more marketing insights. Thanks for listening, and good luck with your lead generation.